I often talk about how emotional events, especially when you're a child, can cause chronic pain lifelong. Well, hopefully we've interrupted it before the end of life. So I was working with a man from New York. I had worked with his brother and his pain went away. I was working now with Carlos in Connecticut. And he told me that he's had pain since he was 12 and he was now 48, I do believe. I said, well, when did it start? Well, I started when I was 12 years old. What was going on when I was 12? And he just went into the story. I was working for an uncle of mine. They sent me there to help him on the farm. There were all these other cousins and aunts and uncles. Nobody was working as hard as I was. Everybody else was actually getting paid. He was getting paid, like, I think he said $0.25 a month or something like that. He's from Colombia, enough to buy books for school. Nothing else. And he had incredible resentment all this time. He'd never talked about it. He never connected it to this pain because he was asked to lift. He was a small little guy and he was asked to lift things that he shouldn't have been asked to lift. We got rid of the resentment. Poof, the pain was completely gone. He went on to tell several other people and he was just blown away. He'd had that pain for 36 years, I do believe. Is my math correct? Mm-hmm. Yes. And it was just gone. He hasn't had it since. It was months and months and months ago. I check in every now and then with these people. And it was just that simple that he never was able to say why. He was mistreated. I would call that abuse, but that's a different kind of abuse. And basically he was treated different than everybody else. And he never understood why. He kept thinking there must be something wrong with him as well. So we tapped on all that during the session. But that's a place where an emotion can just get stuck in the body. There's a great book called The Body Keeps the Score, and it's just a really great book if you're interested in reading that. That's my story about emotions getting stuck in that was specific low back, which I've been talking about a lot because so many people just accept the fact, I'm getting older, I have low back pain. Nonsense. Doesn't need to be. Okay, thanks for watching my short little video. Subscribe below, please.